Hello, my name is Anthony from 3 Chord Solutions, and today I'm going to be going over Clover Dining, both within the Clover dashboard as well as on the Clover terminal so that we can see it in use. First off, before we're going to be able to actually use the Clover Dining system in the terminal, we need to actually build out a floor plan. So what I'm going to do is go into Clover Dining, click on Edit Floor Plan, press the plus button, and then we're going to name this section. I'm going to just call this Main Dining. From here, we're going to be able to actually add in our tables and choose how many seats are going to be at the table by default. So we can call this one Table 1. Or just Table, and then we can click on Bulk Add Items, choose how many tables we want to add, and then press Save. From here, all we need to do is organize our tables so that they meet how our restaurant's laid out. Once we're done, we can press Save, and we can go on to the next step. I took some time and reorganized the tables so that way it would fit better into a floor plan in which a restaurant would be able to follow. For instance, you would want to follow the exact floor plan as you see it in your restaurant in order to make it easier for your host or hostess to go through and add people to those tables. From here, all we need to do is press the Save button, and then this information will sync over to our Clover terminal. Let's move over there so that we can see how it works. Now that we've added that to the Clover Dining app, all we need to do is go into the terminal, tap on Clover Dining. From here, we're going to choose our Main Dining, and we'll see the tables that we had created. Now, in order for us to use it, all we need to do is tap on the table, and we'll have the ability to enter in our guest information. So for guest 1, let's say that they're going to get a quesadilla and a taco. Guest 2 is going to get fried green tomatoes and a taco. And guest 3 only wants to get a dessert, so they're grabbing some flan. Now the information is here on the left-hand side, as you can see. All of our guests are separated out so that we know exactly where our food orders are going to. We even have the option to choose the whole table. And then from here, all we would need to do is press Save. And now that table is active. If we click back into it, we'll be able to pull up our orders and see what we have. Now, all we need to do from here is choose whether we want to print individual bills or print the entire bill. Printing individual bills is going to print out separate bills for each of the guests, and then anything on the whole table will be split automatically between those guests. Printing the entire bill, however, is going to print out everything from the whole table down to guest 4, so that way we have all of that on one single check. From the screen, we also have the ability to move orders. So if we say click on flan or on flan here, we can move order to an available table. From here, we just choose which table we want to put them on. And now the order has been moved from table 1 to table 2. The Clover dashboard has more functionality that we will be going over as we continue our Clover training series. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Have a great one.